Once the home inspection repairs are negotiated, then we're moving on to the moving and repair phase. During the moving and repair phase, that's when you are going to be packaging up your home, getting ready to move to your next destination. Whether that's across town, different state, different country, this is your time to be able to do that. At the same time, you'll be having the repairs done on your home that you promised the buyer that you would make. If you need a referral to any tradespeople to help you with these repairs, just let me know and I can get you in contact with the best people out there. Once your repairs are complete and the buyer is ready to close on your home, the buyer will come and do a final inspection of your home, typically the day that you're going to go to closing. When they come to your home for that final inspection, they're making sure that the home is in the same condition that they expect it to be in, but also that the repairs you promised to make were done and done correctly. Later in that day, we will go to closing, and that's when all the documents are signed and the deed is officially transferred over to the buyer. In the next couple days, you will receive your funds either by wire or in the mail, and the home has now sold.